You're all I can think of, every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Cool me down, you're so hot, pour me up, I won't stop. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Long ago, Rumi, the men who stole my father's land forced these words upon us. I hated those men, but the words still bring me comfort. Those men lied to themselves and lied to us. They told stories of hunters above and demons below, and how there would be no more hiding now we're shining like we're born to be. And lies, they told us lies of a dominion of man over beast and earth. But we are earth and beast and God. We are woman and man. We are hunter and demon. We are connected, you and I, to everything. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like.